Hello students, today we start our 15th chapter, Air and Water Around Us. So in this chapter we mainly learn about the importance of air and water. Second one is air and water pollution. Third is land and noise pollution. Okay, so means the main phenomena to read out this chapter that we should take care of our natural resources. Okay, if they are present in a very large abundance, but they are present in very little pure form. Okay, so before starting this chapter, firstly we have to discuss let's go. So first of all, read out the question that circle all those things that move in the air. Put a tick against the things that can move on water. Means you have to circle those things that can move in the air, okay, and tick those things that can move on water, okay. So here as we can see that kite, parachute balloon and helicopter. So we have to circle these things because they can move in the air, but we have to tick the boat and ship because they can move on water, okay. So after that you have to look around and name any three things that can move by air. Means you have to write down any three things that you can see in that they can move with the help of air, okay. For example, leaves of a tree, okay, your hairs also, clothes also, okay. So you can write down any three things that can move with the help of air. Next, now we start our chapter. First of all, air. We all know that air is moving all around us, okay, but we cannot see it, but we can feel it because air is odorless and colorless. So that's why we can't see or we can't feel, we can't see it, okay. So air is useful to us in many ways. Plants also need air to make or prepare food, okay, but animals also need air to breathe. We human beings also need a fresh and clean air to breathe. If they breathe dirty air, so they can suffer with many diseases, okay. Most of the respiratory problems are occur. Next one is air can get dirty in many ways, okay. So the harmful substances that can make the air dirty are known as a pollutants, okay. So now first one is now we discuss about the different ways that can make our air polluted. First is burning things that give off smoke. Second, when dust is added to the air, it gets polluted. Dust gets blown by storms and make the air dirty. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट में क्या था, अगर हम किसी भी सब्सटेंस को बर्न करते हैं और उसमें से स्मोक प्रोड्यूस होती है, स्मोक मीन्स धुआं, ठीक है, तो वो भी क्या है हमारी एयर को पल्यूट करते हैं, ओके। और जैसे मिट्टी उड़ जाती है, ठीक है, जब आंधी वगैरह आती है, स्टॉर्म्स आते हैं, ठीक है, तो बहुत सारी धूल है जो वो आपके आसमान में चढ़ जाती है, ठीक है, तो वो भी क्या है एयर को क्या करती हैं, पल्यूट करती हैं, ओके। Next, some of the points that how we can keep the air clean. So first of all, we should stop to cutting down of trees because it provide us many useful things and keep us our environment clean. So how plants keep us environment clean? Because they can absorb the harmful substances that is present inside the air, okay, and it is also known as the green lungs of earth, okay. Next one is use or walk to cover short distance instead of a car, motorcycle or scooter. Means if you have to cover a short distance, then you can use a cycle instead of car or motor or a scooter. Means that means of transport that can produce harmful substances or harmful smoke, okay. but cycle is not producing any smoke and it can also जो आपका फ्यूल है उसको भी क्या है बचाता है. ठीक है. Third one is we should not burn the dry leaves and garden waste, because when we burn that waste, so they can also produce a smoke, okay, that can also pollute the environment. So we have to put down these wastes into a composite bin, or we have to dug out a pit and fill it with these wastes. Okay, these wastes are biodegradable, means that they can easily decompose into water. So this phenomena is not harmful to us, but it is useful to us because we can because with the help of this compost, plants can grow very well. Now water. So as we know that air is also very important to us for all living beings. Similarly, water is also very important to live. Our earth covers mostly 70% of area is covered with the water. However, all this water is not drinkable. So हमारी जो अर्थ है उसका जो 70% एरिया है वो वाटर के साथ कवर है. ठीक है, लेकिन सारा का सारा 70% जो वाटर है वो हमारे लिए यूज़फुल नहीं है. क्यों यूज़फुल नहीं है? बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द ओशियंस they contain a very large amount of salt, so that salt is unfit for us. If we drink that water, that can make very जिसको हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारे लिए, हमारी बॉडी के लिए वो जो पानी है उससे क्या है, हमारी बॉडी के अंदर बहुत सारी तकलीफ़ हो सकती है. ठीक है, हमें अलग अलग डिज़ीज़ हो सकते हैं. मीन्स हम उस पानी को ड्रिंक कर ही नहीं सकते. So now we discuss about the ways through which water get polluted. So first one is many people wash clothes and bath animals in water, because animals can also remove their waste material into the water body, so that makes the water dirty. Second one is throwing wrappers, plastic cans and other waste into water bodies, because these wastes are non-biodegradable, means they can take 1,000 of years to decompose into the soil, but in water they cannot decompose and they can pollute or block the water drainage system also. So we should keep our water bodies clean. Drinking. Now we talk about land and noise pollution. So in this chapter we talk about 4 types of pollution. First of all, air, water. Now we can talk about land and noise pollution. Okay. So all the pollutions are harmful to us. Okay, next one is land pollution. How a land pollution is developed or created? So when harmful substances are thrown on land, it pollutes the soil and make it harmful for plants and animals. Similarly, noise pollution are created by loud and unpleasing sounds, are harmful for ears and causes noise pollution. So here one word is arises, that is unpleasing. सो रजे दो अनप्लीजिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? एक तो साउंड होती है, जैसे हम कोई सॉन्ग सुन रहे हैं, ठीक है, म्यूज़िक सुन रहे हैं, तो वो जो साउंड है वो बहुत प्यारी सी होती है, ठीक है, उससे हमें कोई भी इरिटेशन नहीं होती. लेकिन कुछ साउंड्स ऐसी होती हैं जो हमें बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती. जैसे हॉर्न है, ठीक है, कोई अगर हॉर्न मार रहा है बार बार हॉर्न, ठीक है, लगातार, तो वो उससे क्या होता है, हमारा जो माइंड है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. ठीक है, हमें बिल्कुल कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, चिड़चिड़े से हो जाते हैं हम. ठीक है, और जैसे डीजे है, डीजे का भी कईयों का क्या होता है, भी वो साउंड आपको बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती, क्योंकि वो साउंड है जो वो आपके कानों की आवाज़ सुनने की क्षमता से बहुत ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, जो आपके लिए हार्मफुल होता है. So we must keep our surroundings clean because clean surroundings will help us stay and healthy. Okay, now we recall our chapter. So first of all, breathing fresh and clean air keeps us healthy. Second, smoke from factories, vehicles and burning waste material make the air harmful. Third one is wrappers, plastic cans and bottles and water waste from factories cause water pollution. Fourth one is soil and noise pollution are also harmful to us. So in a simple manner that we can discuss four types of pollutions in this chapter. First one is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. So I hope you will understand this chapter very well. Thank you and have a nice day.